This is the little duckling box. It arrived today from California. Oh, sweet! Just yesterday,
And it's
Monday
empty.
hatched out. Oh, the gel is empty. Oh, they're hungry.
We gotta dip them in their water.
They're hungry.
One at a time, dipping the nose in the water.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, drink, drink, drink.
Can't tell them apart yet.
Oh, they're so sweet.
That one's drinking.
Yes. Yes. He's already over there by the food. Oh, it's a little cutie. We should hold him up again. Oh, he's adorable. There we go.
Cobwebs.
And we're looking for the food. We're going to be looking for the food. You want to show them where the food is?
I do not need this thing.
Show them where the food is?
No, I don't know that they're ready for the food yet. It's pretty big chunks. I don't know how they get down that stuff. They'll find it.
He's roaming all over the place.
What's my cat doing? It's still pretty hot. But they can sit on the edge of it. They don't actually have to be under it.
This is a little brown chick. Now it's
Oh, I guess you can't tell the difference behind the...
Yeah.
The Swedish have the
Look at the little tiny,
yellow collar.
Tiny, tiny wings. You
The
can't
Swedish
even
have the
see.
yellow collar. They're a lighter color. Kim,
Yep.
that's a runner right there. That's the Swedish.
This is a Swedish. This is a cute little baby. But he don't want to be held right now. No, he don't want to be held. The runners are running. Little cuties. What little cuties?
Oh, they're banded.
Are they? We have discovered the water. And we like to get in it, even though it's cold. Get out.
Everybody's gotten in and out. Well, not everybody, but they're able to get in and out.
Oh, I'm loving that drinky drinky. And they got their food close by.
I need to move the thing over a little bit so they get around it on both sides.
And the runners are already standing upright. Just clear yourself a place first, hon.
I'm just pushing this stuff with it, hon.
Okay. Oh, good water. Yummy nummies. Nummy nummies. You're going to trap that food everywhere because they run right from the water into the food.
Oh, no, the ducks are not a clean beast, hon. So we're clear. They are not a clean beast.
He's loving that water. Can you take that one little fleck out of there?
Which one? Like I got about a billion of them over here.
You just knock them all on there. Oh, water, 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 water. Give me that water. We can show them the water, but nothing convinces like seeing my brother drink.